Do your goals feel out of reach? Do they fade away before you can even take the first step? Here's the truth, it's not your fault, it's your approach. Maybe your goals aren't smart enough. Welcome to Amazivation. Today, we're diving into a game-changing method that has helped countless people achieve their dreams. The SMART method of goal setting will not only clarify your goals, but also give you a step-by-step plan to crush them. And here's some great news. This is the first video in our brand new goal setting and motivation series. This series is packed with actionable tips, real-life examples, and inspiration to help you unlock your full potential. So subscribe now and get ready to transform your life. Let's get started. Let's be real. We all have goals. Whether it's landing a promotion, starting a business, getting healthier, or even traveling the world, we all dream of achieving something greater. But here's the problem. Most goals fail because they're too vague or unrealistic. That's where the SMART framework comes in. It transforms your ambitions into clear, actionable, and achievable steps. SMART stands for specific, know exactly what you want. Measurable, track your progress. Achievable, keep it realistic. Relevant, stay aligned with your priorities. Time-bound, set a deadline. Today we'll break each of these down, give you relatable examples, and help you create your own SMART goals. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear plan to make your dreams a reality. Let us start. So, what does a specific and SMART goal mean? It means be crystal clear. A goal should clearly define what you want to achieve. As an example, vague goal is like, I want to get fit. But a SMART one, I want to lose 10 pounds by running 3 times a week and following a balanced diet. That is specific. Clarity gives you focus. When you know exactly what you want, you're less likely to get distracted. The second feature of SMART goal is measurable. Track your progress. Tracking your progress keeps you motivated and ensures you're moving in the right direction. Without measurement, you'll never know if you're improving. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. As an example, if your goal is to save money, set a specific amount. I'll save $5,000 this year by setting aside $100 every week. You can measure each deposit, and every step forward will give you a sense of accomplishment. Quick tip: use apps, spreadsheets, or journals to log your progress. Seeing your small wins adds up to massive motivation. Your goals should stretch you but still be within reach. That means achievable. Keep it realistic, but challenging. Here's the thing. Your goals should stretch you, but not overwhelm you. If they're too easy, you won't feel fulfilled. If they're too hard, you risk burnout. As an example, an unrealistic goal: I'll learn to play the guitar like Jimi Hendrix in a week. But the SMART goal, like, I'll learn 3 beginner chords and practice 30 minutes daily for the next month. Achievable goals keep you moving forward while building confidence along the way. Another feature for SMART goal is to be relevant. Make sure your goal aligns with your values. Why do you want to achieve this goal? Does it truly matter to you, or are you chasing someone else's dream? Example: if you want to start a business, ask yourself, does this align with my long-term vision for success and happiness? When your goals are meaningful, you'll stay committed even when the journey gets tough. Time-bound, set a deadline. That is an important feature for SMART goal. A goal without a deadline is just a wish. Deadlines create urgency and accountability. As an example, instead of saying I'll write a book someday, try this: I'll complete the first draft of my book by September 30th. Having a timeline keeps you focused and prevents procrastination. A real-life SMART goal example. Let's bring it all together. Imagine you're training for a 5K race. Specific: I'll run a 5K race. Measurable: I'll track my distance and time using a running app. Achievable: I'll start with 1 mile and increase by 10% each week. Relevant: running aligns with my goal of staying fit and active. Time-bound: I'll complete the race in 3 months. This goal is clear, realistic, and actionable, a perfect example of SMART in action. The SMART method is more than just a framework, it's a mindset. When you create goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, you're setting yourself up for success. But here's the best part: this is only the beginning. The perfect goal setting with the SMART method is the first in our goal setting and motivation series. We'll dive deeper into strategies, explore advanced techniques, and share real stories of people achieving incredible things. What's your SMART goal? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear it and cheer you on. And don't forget to subscribe to Amazivation to keep unlocking your potential. Like this video, share it with your friends, and thank you for watching. Let's achieve greatness together.